Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to align table border in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take a page. Now we align table border in this page. Firstly, create a table. Go to the insert menu and click table option. Then create a table. Now we can see here we created a table. Then we align table border, select whole table, click and drag on your mouse to select the whole table. Then go to the layout menu and click cell margin. Then you can change the margin to align this table. Then press OK. Now we can see here we increase the cell margin, or you use increase the height or decrease height or white, etc. Or you manually this aligning table border, click and drag left or right on your mouse in the line. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.